lot of gossip and rumors. Now tell me, what exactly have you actually seen Sakura do?
Enchantress, she does evil dancing. If you look into her eyes, she will put you in trances. And what would you do? She'll mix up an evil fruit, and she'll gobble you up in a big tasty soup. So watch out.
You saw those terrible things. Now you believe us, Twilight? She's an evil enchantress. She does evil dances. And puts you in her eyes. She puts you in trances. And what will she do? She'll mix up an evil fruit. And she'll swallow you up in a big tasty stew.
She's an evil enchantress. She does evil dancing. And if you look into her eyes, she will put you in trances. And what would you do? She'll mix up an evil fruit. And she'll gobble you up in a big tasty soup. So watch out.
Now,